Here. Today I have a tutorial on how to program programs in Notepad. So yes, believe it or not, you can do that in Notepad. Uh, so yeah, let's get started. Today we're just going to be making a simple Hello World program, and then we'll get on to better stuff as we go on. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just open Notepad, blank file, and first off we're going to do the @ echo off. And that's pretty much just going to tell us what we're using here, which is @echo off, which is a type of batch file. So in order to print text to the screen, all we have to do is press echo and whatever we like. So I'm going to say echo hello world, and then I'm going to pause it. And that is pretty much just a simple hello world program. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Save As. You'll see down here, I'm going to save it to my desktop. Or you know what, I'll save it to Documents, New Folder, Batch Files. Alright. So I'm going to save it in here, and I'm just going to call it, YouTube.bat. That is the most important. It has to be a .bat. So you can name it whatever you'd like. .bat. That's very important. So go ahead and save it. And there we go. Now if we go ahead and open up my documents here, batch files, and you see we got something in here called YouTube. If we go ahead and start that up, as it says hello world, press any key to continue. So there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you through the steps, just make sure, on what each thing does here. So if, say we didn't have pause in there, okay? And we go ahead and save it, and we run this again. You see it just opens and closes really fast. So this pause will go ahead and pause it, pretty much, so that we can see it. So it stays up there until we press any key to continue. Now next tutorial I will be going into classes and how you can go ahead and get even more detailed into this. So we can even do like echo hello world again. If we save that, we open it up, hello world again. So you can do a lot more in this, be making classes, inputting data, and other things like that. So I will see you guys next tutorial, and yeah, tell me if you guys like this. Go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you like my tutorials, and I will see you next time.